Guys, bag-o ra nako na kuha ang bill sa kuryente karon. And kabaw mo pila? 216 pesos karong buwan na sa kani nga house.
Dili joke, dili po ni siya typo. Yes, below or around 200 pesos ang power bill every single month. Kini nga balay. Sustainability house ni siya.
And it comes with more than 1.5 million ang gasto sa tag-iya ani nga balay, including the furniture and the landscape area.
I know, ganahan niyo makita ang inside. So, without further ado, let's go!
Before we even go inside, look at this landscape garden nga mo greeting nimo sa entrance. Clean nya, green, daghang flowers nya, very relaxing kaayo.
Napay porch, diri. Perfect kayo in the morning kung mag-coffee ka or maybe chika with the kapitbahay during the evening. Napadyo kay 2-car garage, perfect kayo, complete kayo ang house.
This is a one-story house nga Aruna, developed by Abuitis Land. Look at this, a 2-car park with naani siya basement. Total area is around 126 square meter. Normally, kani nga balay, it's 2 bedrooms yung siya. But guess what? Since na siya basement, na siya ikatulo nga bedroom.
And guys, take note ha, this house is 6 kilowatt solar powered. That's the most special part ani nga house.
So normally, sa mga houses gyud nato, tag 2 to 5,000 gyud na ang ilahang monthly nga bill sa kuryente, including sa Amoa. That's 5,000. So imagine owning this house nga tag 200 pesos ra ang imuhang monthly bill. So you can save more or less mga 60,000 a year.
Guys, this is the living area. Sofa included, TV included, TV rack included, cabinets included. This house is ready for move-in. Welcome to the kitchen. Nadiri ang granite countertop with electric stove. We have our ventilation window here. Nadiri ang refrigerator, the placement for your coffee maker, your sink, overhead cabinets, under cabinets as well. Ang puwang na lang, magluto na lang mo. 3 bedrooms, all with modular cabinets already built in. No need to buy extra furniture for storage. Ug ang mga higdaanan, 3 beds with 8 hotel living pillows. Guys, hotel living ang feeling diri sa imong kaugalingong balay. For inverter aircons, all included. So you stay cool, and because of the solar system, that electricity practically free. 2 toilet and baths, clean, modern, ready to use. Napay separate laundry area. And yes, the front load washer and dryer is included. Labhanon na lang nimo ang kulang diri. There is also a storage area. And don't forget the basement. Extra space for whatever you need. A workshop, a hobby room, extra storage. The possibilities are yours. So guys, recap lang ta ha. This fully furnished house has a furnishing of around 1.5 million. So technically, the new owner will be ready to move in. Not to mention the 6 kilowatt solar power that's powering everything within the house.
Agree jud ko na. Kay labi na no, kani nga balay is designed for 2 bedroom nga unit. But gi-convert gini siya sa tag-iya og 3 bedroom. So dako kay siya og gasto sa pag kabkab daw sa ilang. So actually more than daw 1.5, so more or less mga 2 million ang gasto. More or less included na sa tanan nga mga furnishing, di ba? And the landscape, and of course the solar nga tag 200 na lang no per month.
And the location, dito sa Compostela, daghan kay greens, daghan kay forestry, and very accessible. You're in the right place. So if you're interested, buyer shoulders the transfer expenses. Yes, technically, straightforward. No hidden charges. Everything is ready.
And if this house calling your name, ayaw huwat, labi na, kani nga balay is fully furnished, grabe, di ba? And naka-solar na siya, fully furnished, and of course, kanang ready for occupancy na.
So drop a comment or send us a private message, no? Or just book a private viewing aning house.
Yes, if kamo naamoy mga friend or relatives nga nangita sa ing ani nga balay, please share this video.
Like and subscribe also. Make sure to click the notifications button para always mong ma-updated sa mga new videos nato. So, this is Stephen.
This is JL.
And see you on the next
next
one.